I'm just going to show you how to make fresh leaf tea, as a lot of people don't know how to do it, and it quite frankly amazes me. So you have your teapot. This one's a small teapot just because I'm only making tea for myself. So all you do, boil the kettle, put the boiling water into this teapot. Don't put any tea in it. Then you're just warming up the teapot itself. Then you pour it all out. So that pot is now ready for tea. So I'm going to be using Betty's Ceylon Blue Sapphire leaves. Yeah. It will normally have rules on the backs of the packets, but today I'm going to show you how I make mine. So this one is 1 heaped teaspoon per person. 1 for the pot, but how I do it is 2, so it depends on how many people, but I like a lot of tea, so 2 teaspoons and an extra 1 for the pot. Remember, the pot is an extra 1. And then for this tea in particular, you want it to infuse for like 5 to 6 minutes. Certain tea, other tea don't require that. It depends what infusions or teas that you have. And then you have your kettle, and you pour the hot water into said pot. There we go, like so. Then you put the lid on. I put my tea cozy on at this point to make it all keep nice and toasty. And then just leave that to infuse for 5 to 6 minutes. If you require it to be less strong, you can either leave it for fewer minutes or leave it 5 to 6 minutes and then add water to it to weaken it. However, I like mine rather strong, so you can taste it. So yeah, and once you've done that, you get your tea strainer, like your mini sieve. There's many different versions of tea strainers, and then you pour that into there, so it'll collect the leaves. Yeah, if you want other tea strainers, you can have literally, I don't know, like this Alice in Wonderland one I've got, which is literally you put the leaves in there. It's like a cup for 1, so you don't have to make a pot. You can then just leave that into your cup and then pour the water, so then you don't get like leaves in your mouth when you try and drink. That's what the idea of that one is. So yeah, I hope you like my demonstration on how to make tea with leaves.